Did you know that unleashing the power of squats can help you burn more calories per minute than most other exercises? Yes, you heard that right. Squats, often seen as the backbone of any fitness routine, are not just about bulking up your leg muscles. They're a full-body workout, offering a ton of benefits that might surprise you. Now, we understand there are some misconceptions and fears associated with squats. You might be worried about injuring your knees, or maybe you've squatted before but didn't see the results you were hoping for. But let's clear the air here. With proper form and consistency, unleashing the power of squats are not only safe but also highly effective. They target multiple muscle groups, not just your legs, making them a versatile addition to any workout routine. So it's time to overcome those fears and misconceptions and unleash the power of squats. Let's dive deeper into this powerhouse exercise and reveal how it can revolutionize your fitness journey. The first step to reaping the benefits of unleashing the power of squats is to understand what they are and how to do them properly. Squats, as simple as they may seem, are a complex movement that engages multiple muscle groups. They are a compound exercise, meaning they work more than one muscle group at a time, promoting muscle balance and coordination. So, let's break down the basic form of a squat. Firstly, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Your toes can point forward or slightly outwards but never inwards. This is your starting position. As you start to descend, push your hips back as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Your knees should be in line with your toes, not caving inwards or veering outwards. At the bottom of the move, your thighs should be parallel to the floor, or lower if your flexibility allows. Then push through your heels to return to the starting position. Throughout the movement, your core should be engaged, providing stability and support. Now let's talk about the different types of squats, because variety is the spice of life, right? First, there's the standard squat we just went over. It primarily targets the quadriceps but also works the glutes, hamstrings, and core. Then, there's the sumo squat, where your feet are wider apart, and your toes point outwards. This variation targets the inner thighs more intensely. The goblet squat is another variation where you hold a kettlebell or a dumbbell in front of your chest. This type of squat not only works your lower body but also gives your upper body and core a good workout. Finally, there's the jump squat for those who want to incorporate some cardio into their squat routine. It's just like a regular squat, but with a jump at the end. Remember, proper form and technique are crucial to maximizing the benefits and avoiding injury, so take your time to learn and master each movement. Now you're one step closer to unleashing the incredible power of squats. Now that we know how to squat, let's delve into the incredible benefits this simple exercise offers. The humble squat is more than just a leg workout. It's a full-body fitness bonanza that can transform your workout routine. Firstly, squats are a strength-building powerhouse. They primarily target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, but the benefits don't stop there. Because squats are a compound movement, they engage multiple muscles at once, enhancing overall body strength. They also help develop core strength and stability, which is crucial for virtually every physical activity. Next, unleashing the power of squats can significantly improve your posture. When done correctly, they engage your back muscles and core, which helps maintain a straight back and upright posture. This isn't just beneficial for your appearance, it can also alleviate back pain and other discomfort associated with poor posture. Additionally, unleashing the power of squats are a calorie incinerator. They require a lot of energy, which means they burn a substantial amount of calories, and the best part? The calorie burn continues even after your workout, thanks to the increased metabolism that strength training provides. This makes squats an effective exercise for weight loss and overall fitness. Another fantastic benefit of squats is their ability to increase flexibility. As you lower your body into a squat, your hip flexors, hamstrings, and quadriceps are all stretched, enhancing overall flexibility and reducing the risk of injury. But perhaps the most remarkable benefit of unleashing the power of squats is their ability to improve bone density. Regular squatting stimulates the production of cells that build bones, helping to prevent osteoporosis and fractures. This is particularly important as we age and our bone density naturally decreases. In sum, squats offer an impressive array of benefits. They can make you stronger, improve your posture, increase calorie burn, enhance flexibility, and even boost bone density. This transformative power of squats makes them an essential part of any fitness routine. With so many benefits, it's no wonder squats are often called the king of all exercises. It's clear that unleashing the power of squats are more than just a leg exercise. They're a powerful tool for overall fitness and health. Have you been convinced yet? Are you ready to embrace the power of squats and weave them into your workout routine? If you're nodding along, here's a roadmap to start your journey. Firstly, don't be in a hurry to lift heavy weights. Your body needs to adapt to the new movements and the strain they put on your muscles. Start with basic bodyweight squats. They're a great way to get your body used to the squatting motion without additional stress. Now, proper form is key. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and push your hips back as if you're about to sit on a chair. Bend your knees and lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Then, push yourself back up. Imagine you're pushing the floor away from you. That's 1 rep. Once you're comfortable with bodyweight squats, it's time to up the game. Gradually add weight to your squats. You could use a pair of dumbbells or a barbell depending on your comfort level. Remember, the idea is to challenge yourself, not strain yourself. Listen to your body and increase the weight accordingly. Variety is the spice of life, and it holds true for squats as well. There are numerous squat variations to try out. Front squats, goblet squats, jump squats to name a few. Each variant targets different muscles and adds a unique twist to the classic squat. Consistency is your best friend on this journey. Aim to incorporate squats into your workout routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Over time, you'll start to see and feel the difference. Stronger legs, better posture, increased stamina, and a sense of accomplishment. So there you have it. Unleashing the power of squats are a simple yet powerful exercise that can transform your fitness routine and your life. Give them a try and let us know your experiences in the comments below.